Hello and welcome to Bulgarian Mama Is Cooking. In today's video, I will share with you a recipe very easy and delicious for oatmeal banana donuts with cinnamon. But before I do that, if you are interested in such videos and you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and let's go! The first thing that you need to do is mash one large banana. Now you can use a potato masher or a fork, wherever works for you. And then to that, add one large room temperature egg, followed by 80 milliliters of agave syrup, or that's 1/3 of a cup, and then 60 milliliters of coconut oil, paste like, or that's 1/4 of a cup. And then give it a good whisk. Oops, and I forgot to add the vanilla, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. And those are your wet ingredients. Give it a good whisk and leave it on the side. Now for the dried ingredients, combine 1 cup of oatmeal flour with 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour. And then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder with 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And before we start mixing to combine, don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon like I did. By the way, using this measuring cup to combine my dried ingredients was really convenient. Now combine wet and dried ingredients, give it a good whisk, and remember to start preheating your oven at 350 by Fahrenheit or 180 by Celsius. And then about 3 or 4 minutes of mixing, you should get the batter-like consistency, and then move that to a piping bag. Now if you don't have a piping bag, not to worry, you can just use a spoon. And now for this recipe, you will need a donut pan. I find mine on Amazon. They are super inexpensive and really great because they are non-stick. And then begin shaping your donuts by filling the cavities all the way through. This batter will get you 6 donuts. You can double up the ingredients to get 12. And then you can use a spoon to smooth out any unevenness, or you can leave that to the gravity. Bake the donuts for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they get this beautiful golden brownish color. And here is the brownish beautiful golden color that I'm talking about. Give it a few minutes to cool down and then just flip the pan like I did, and the donuts should come right out if the pan is non-stick. And the last thing that you need to do is enjoy the donuts. Thank you for supporting Bulgarian Mama Is Cooking. If you haven't had the chance yet, then please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.